So I picked up this hammer in a thrift store for $2. And the handle's not very comfortable, and I kind of want to customize it to what I want and the way I want it to look. So basically I want to have a flat face and a rounded face, and maybe dish it out in these areas. Just kind of give it a cool, comfortable look, and then make a whole new handle for it. So that's what we're going to do today. Hope you stick around and watch it. What I'm really excited about is I get to try out a new belt. It's a ceramic belt. I've never used a ceramic before. This is a 40 grit. So I'm hoping this thing's going to tear through this hammer. Also, just like previous videos, this is from Empire Abrasives. So let's get to it. So I had to move the grinder because right here it was starting to burn my little router table bench. So what I did was I made a quick stand over here on my vise. So that should work much better. Ready? So we'll go around. Alright. Okay. Let's go. Nice. Alright, so that's it for this video. I made this handle, or hammer for this. This is the third one I made. First one failed miserably. Second one was just horrible, so I figured I'll just turn a basic handle on the lathe. I like the length of it, feels nice. So as you saw, it's got a nice flat on it here, rounded here. Actually, I went through and rounded it more because it had a little bit more of a flat, so I fully rounded it. That's about it. I put the leather on there just because, I don't know, it's when you hold it real close like this, if you're just doing something small, it feels comfy. Down here, I don't know what you call this, the end of it, but it's got a nice feel to it. It feels good. So, other than that, hopefully I'll get I didn't take a picture before what it looked like, so during the editing I'll get a screenshot and put it at the end. I'm pretty happy with this first one I ever done. And I used ceramic belts from Empire Abrasives. I was really impressed with them. And I did a ton of grinding on this thing. I took a half pound off this hammer, and I used about 2 belts to do it. And I think 2 or 3 flat discs all in all. And I used the Harbor Freight grinder for the whole thing. And surprisingly, it lasted pretty well. It's got plenty of power to get down there and grind some stuff up. So I'll do a review on this in the next couple weeks, but so far it's pretty good. The small batteries don't last very long. I'd say non-stop grinding on a fresh charged battery was about 20 minutes, if that. So I imagine the bigger batteries are looking double the time. So I'll do a review on that later. Other than that, that's about it. Also, I used my kalamzoo 2x48 belt grinder. Obviously you saw in the video. There's also a link to that in the description, along with the Empire Abrasives. Other than that, thanks for watching. Hope you got some ideas, you got your own. Just go out in the garage, have some fun with it. That's all this was about, was just getting out and having some fun, messing around. Thanks for watching.